So we had a very similar car in 3 days ago. Within 12 hours of it being advertised, it's sold. So this will do exactly the same, I have no doubt. It's a VAT qualifying Defender D250 XS Edition. In a complicated model line, the XS Edition for me is the one to go for because it gives you everything as standard. Air suspension, heated steering wheel, you've got the camera systems. The only way that you make this vehicle better, in my opinion, is you add some styling to it. So it's got the urban styling on this particular one. You'll notice the differences. Finished in Hakuba Silver. It's a 2473, done about 8,500 miles. So you've got manufacturer's warranty well into 2027. You've got the black badges, urban badges, black grille, and you've also got the bottom splitter again, all in gloss black. So you wouldn't see this on a standard XS. Big one to point out as well, you've also got the pod lights, and we'll show you how they work as we work our way around. Wide arches, again in gloss black, and they tie in lovely with urban style 22s that you see in front of us. So any Defender we get in that have these wheels on, again, absolutely fly out. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, and the privacy glass with the black styling just continues all the way throughout. We see a lot of black XSs and sell a lot of black XSs, but when we got the Hakuba Silver one in last week, again, it flew out. I think it might be because it's a little bit different, a little bit unique. You'll also notice that glass roof, and that is an opening roof. Plenty of space in the back of a Defender. Probably the most popular selling Land Rover product we have at the moment and has been for a while. Huge boot space, which will be another reason why people have looked at them. So plenty of space in there for suitcases, luggage. The air suspension is on the side, so if you do need to lower that to its access height or lower, you can do that as well. Urban cover on there, and again, full size alloy. You've got the badges, dark and light, so just a really good looking Defender. When we get to the front, obviously Meridian sound. You've got heated electrical adjustable seats. The switch for the pod lights just up on the dash there, and then you've got all the interior options which we'll touch on here. So obviously HSE is another spec available in the Land Rover product, which is a very good one, but the XS Edition just comes with bits that you would have to add on to a HSE. So if we start it up, under the armrest, which is a biggie, quite popular on Land Rover products, you've got the refrigerator under the armrest, wireless charging pad, standard, adaptive air suspension we mentioned a couple of times, ClearSight rear view mirror, so if you aren't used to a Land Rover product, that's a HD camera on the rear, just to make that much easier. Full sliding panoramic sunroof, and it also opens, so you can get them with no roof whatsoever, fixed roof or an open roof. This one has the open roof, which is the one you would want. Camera systems to help you park them. They are a large car, so aerial view, rear view to help you with that. Dual zone climate, heated seats. Again, dead straightforward and easy to use. The display, your navigation, your media, everything all comes up on there. Apple CarPlay if you wanted it. Obviously the car being what it is, it has done 8,000 miles, but to be fair, you wouldn't know. It's practically brand new. Heated steering wheel, which is a biggie. Standard on this model. Cruise control as you'd expect, lane keep assist, so plenty of tech and plenty of spec. We've got the pod lights as well, which when the camera goes round, you'll have a look at them. So the gloss black exterior styling just makes them stand out. Then if you physically want to turn them on, you've obviously got quite a cool feature, so they are a big selling point. Anything urban styled absolutely flies out, but partner that with an XS and one that's been registered in 2024, I have zero doubt this won't be here for long. So pick up the phone if you're interested, be quick, give us a call, and I look forward to speaking to you.